Hello there, everyone, and welcome back to Excel in 90 seconds. I want to show you real quick how to add Power Pivot to Excel. Power Pivot is a program that comes with Excel. It allows you to use data from different files in order to build a pivot table. Now, you're going to need this Power Pivot, but you're going to have to add it in to Excel in order to activate it. So the way we're going to do that, we're going to go to File in the upper left. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom to Options. Once we're in Options, we're going to go to the next to the bottom item says Add-ins. Click on that. Now you're going to go down to the bottom of that where it says Manage, and that little drop-down menu, you are going to click on COM Add-ins. So we'll click on COM Add-ins. We'll now click on Go. It's going to open up a window for us, and we can see that Microsoft Power Pivot, which is the next to the bottom item, is not checked. We'll check on that. Then we'll hit OK, and Power Pivot is going to show up on our top menu line. And sure enough, there it is. Now we can use Power Pivot to use data from different files to create a pivot table. Hopefully this is helpful. See you soon right back here on Excel in 90 seconds.